god. That damage. Holy crap. And let's run. Dodge. Success. Run in. Give him 2 hits and please be dead. Oh, one more sneaky. Quick, quick. Oh, no. Holy shit. Oh, no. Oh, so close. I was so close.
Game over.
Oh, that greed. I didn't even realize. Yeah. Oh my god. That greed. Ah dear. 3 kills. You give up, Gray? No worries. The train stopped. Facepalm so hard. It happens. Gank him. Alright. Wait, should I kill this boss with other people? Like NPCs? Nah, I can do it on my own. I don't have time for NPCs, and it'll just make the boss harder. The difference is I screamed, lol. I one-shotted the one reborn. It wasn't hard at all. I just wanted to see what people would think. Alright, here we go. Okay, let's use this. And that. Let's go 2-hander and run in and beat the shit out of this boss. And kill him dead. Oh, I can't. Really? Oh my god, rip that health. 8's left. Oh crap. Wow, that does nothing. Careful. Oops. Oh shit. Get him. Okay, roll out of there. Wow, he's just pulling out all of his combos. Run! Oh, ho. Okay, that was 3. Nice. This ain't gonna be nice. Oh, I could have hit him. Oh, lightning spears. Oh, wait up. In a minute, I'll do that. Get out of the fire. It's nasty. Oh my god. $25. Yeah, no, I'll pass on the lightning spears. Holy crap, Reno. Okay, no, can't get him yet. Okay, that failed. Wow. That damage. 25 damage hype indeed. Ouch. Oh crap. Hello fellow Dark Soulian, how are you today? Get out of there. Nasty fire. Bad fire. Fire is bad. What is he doing now? Okay, now he's pissed. Okay, get out of there. That fire is really hurting. Oh crap. Oh my god. Quick heal. Oops, that was 3. Oh my god. Oh, fire. Holy crap. Come on, stamina. Don't fail me. Oh my god. That was close. Okay. Pretty much one shot. Don't get greedy. Oh my god. Don't run into the black stuff. Wow. Holy crap. Spam those chugs. Indeed. I'm drinking it like it's OJ. And he's dead. Holy crap. Oh my god. No souls? Anything? I did it!
The throne will certainly receive you. But the question remains. Would you tell me?
Thank you for the GGs. We did it!
Or something else entirely?
Back just in time to see the final blow. Nice. Oh. Thank you very much for the GGs. Oh wait, is there more? Oh, they hugging.
You who link the fire. You who bear the curse. Once the fire is linked, souls will flourish anew, and all of this will play out again. It is your choice to embrace or renounce this.
A stone throne? Really?
Great Sovereign, take your throne.
Chair simulator.
What lies ahead, only you can see.
You were secretly in the Matrix this whole time. Ah, what an ending. Arthos, his face looks like he is a man-child. That's quite funny. Ah, holy shit. The game has finished. I don't know about PvP, Wiz, because I'm thinking bring on Dark Souls New Game Plus. Yeah, oh, Dark Souls 1. Yeah, I don't know. Not just yet. Enjoy the music, I like it. No worries, Gabes. Thanks, Staff Puppy. Yep, I finally finished it after nearly 90 hours. Bloodborne hype? Yeah, I think so. We'll get on to some bit of Bloodborne. Sorry to you Bloodborne haters out there, but I did promise everyone Bloodborne after then Demon Souls. I don't have a PlayStation 3, Grey, and I don't have Demon Souls either. So yeah, but I did promise everyone. Thanks, baby. Bloodborne. The curse you got. The curse got you, and he is no getting you out. He's not getting you out. Yeah. Bloodborne. Demons is amazing. Yeah, it does look really good. Secondhand PS3 is very cheap. Indeed, Horseshoe McG. I have been looking around. Senpai will never notice you. Yeah, I know. I can't wait to see some Bloodborne. Never seen it. Holy crap. Demon Souls is cheap too. Yes. Yeah, I've kind of been spending money on the stream setup to better everything. On a mic, camera, green screen. I needed a HDMI switch and a couple of other things. You have to do Demon Souls before Dark Souls 3. Indeed. Indeed, Grey. I will be doing Demon Souls before Dark Souls 3. It's still quite a while till Dark Souls 3 anyway, so everyone should buy a PS3 purely to play Demon Souls. Nice. Nice, Chelsea, man. Damn, DS3. Yeah, I don't think it comes out till sometime next year, 2016. Not sure on the date though, but I will be getting it for PC first. If well, whatever platform it comes out on first, I will be getting it for. But I will have it for PC, Xbox One, and PS4, and one different build for each console. And obviously, like a couple of PvP characters. There's a rumor on Twitter that DS3 will be out before the 18th of February. Holy, before the 8th. Holy shit, that's pretty crazy, Daft. You have till March 2016. Yeah, plenty of time, Tanked. Plenty of time. Yeah, I'm quite hyped for Dark Souls 3. Indeed. Rumors. Yeah, but you never know, Wiz. Rumors might come true. It could be the truth in the form of a rumor. You never know. Rumors. Is it possible that a Souls game could get Game of the Year? Yeah, it is, Grey. Has it ever happened? I don't know. Rumors. Yeah. I have no idea, Grey. Dark Souls Game of the Year? Dark Souls 2 got Game of the Year on the Joystick Awards last year. Holy crap. I believe that for next year, Dark Souls 3 could be Game of the Year. It'll be like in the running with like Final Fantasy 15, depending on how good that is, because there's a lot of Final Fantasy diehard fans out there, as well as Dark Soul fans. Um, there's a couple of pretty good games coming out next year, quite a few actually.